the city and the country is developing really rapidly, and I'm just very happy to be part of it and to see it, and I actually really enjoy it. Today I want to show the Hua Lampong train station. So I'm at the Hua Lampong MRT Station, and I just noticed this is the foundation stone of the MRT, which means that this stone was laid down here in 1999 when they started the MRT project. So just a small little extra information. I am walking now to the Hua Lampong train station. There is a direct connection from the MRT to the train, and last month I made a video about the new train station, which is in Bangkok. So now I thought, well, why not show the actual train station that's still in working. It's still functioning as the main train station in Bangkok, and it's called Hua Lampong. So Hua Lampong is not the official name. Actually, officially it's called Krung Thep Station, which is Krung Thep is Bangkok in Thai. So you could say Krung Thep Central Station, but Hua Lampong is the area where this station is, and that's why it's referred to as Hua Lampong. So I'm going up here, and then I will end up just in front of the train station. I will go inside. So the Hua Lampong station was constructed between 1910 and 1916. It's a little over 1 year old. A little over 100 years old. And from here you can take the train into all directions in Thailand. So for example, if you take the night sleeper train to Chiang Mai, you start from here. But also if you want to go to Aranya Pratet to connect with Cambodia, you go here. If you want to go south in the direction of Hat Yai or Hua Hin, you come here. If you want to go to Kanchanaburi, it starts from here as well. It's a nice, according to Wikipedia, a neoclassical Italian style building. So here are the ticket offices, so here you can buy a ticket for the train. And then this is the main hall. Yeah, so when the new train station in Bangsu opens, then all this will, well, I think this will still stay open, but I have no idea actually what the plans are for construction. I don't know if this will still stay as a proper train station. Well, I guess it will cease to exist as a train station. So if you are coming here, then you can always go here to the train information. They speak really good English, and you can get all the information for the train that you want to take. So, I mean, we've taken some trains to Lopburi, for example, Kanchanaburi. We took the sleeper train one time to Chiang Mai. And yeah, train tickets are not expensive in Thailand, so it's a very cheap way of transport. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at the train tracks. Yeah, so what I said, this will all be replaced by the Bangsu station. Bangkok. Yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock now. about Bangsu, one of the remarks that I made is that it's just amazing when you live in Bangkok how stuff is changing. And so this is obviously a very old station, and yeah, I mean, but in a couple of years it's going to be super modern in the Bangsu station. So the switch from this very old system to the very modern, this is actually what Bangkok is all about. You know, the city and the country is developing really rapidly, and I'm just very happy to be part of it and to see it, and I actually really enjoy it. You know, a big part of life is developing, and here there's a lot of development, and that gives opportunity, you know. So I see they are cleaning the train here. As you can see on the train, the name is called SRT, which is State Railway Thailand. There is also a very old steam train, and I think on the 6th of November it's gonna be here in Bangkok, and they do tours with it. So I will try if I can make time to find it, to check it up. Yeah, so if I can see correctly, this is a train supposed to go to Tran. Tran is in the south of Thailand. It's if you want to go to islands like Koh Kradan, Koh Libon, you go to Tran. And yeah, you can go by train if you are adventurous, or you can just fly there in 1 hour, because AirAsia is flying there as well, for example. Okay, so I just wanted to give an update about this station. So I'm gonna go back to the main hall again. Train travel in Thailand, I mean, I like it. We went to Lopburi in January, I think, and it was just yeah, it's a long ride. Lopburi is not that far, but the trains are not going that fast, but it's just adventurous. I mean, you go through all the rice fields, and you go through all the nature places. It's nice. And if you have the normal local train, if you buy a third class ticket, then I don't remember how much a ticket to Lopburi is, but I remember that it was very cheap. I will actually check it out, and I will put it on the bottom here. Yeah, so can you imagine this being replaced by high-speed trains that go to China on a super mega modern Bangsu station? I will add the link to the Bangsu station as well. Yeah, so also this part of the station is a very popular place for people to make pictures. It's one of these photo op places. Yeah, of course it's Sunday, so it's the perfect time to do that now. Okay. As I'm not planning to travel, I'm heading back to the main entrance. Yeah, so construction in the station started in 1910. during the reign of the King Chulalongkorn, which is the same name as the university, and I'm pretty sure this is a picture of him. But if it's not, please, Thai people, don't feel offended. But let me know if it's not. Okay? This is where you can buy the train tickets, and you just tell them your destination. Yeah, and all the destinations, all the departures, they are here in Thai, and they switch into English. So Hat Yai, Ubon, Kabinburi, Lopburi, Sapanburi. Quite a lot of destinations that you can get through from here. Okay. So I am heading back to the MRT. I just wanted to make a quick shot of the front of the station. And as you can see, it is a very nice new classical Italian style. Very different from the Bangsu station. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my update about the Hua Lampong station. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Okay?